through. Right there and there. So straighten this bottom leg out. Get this one right here. Get this one right here. Get good rotation all the way through lumbar, sacrum, hip. Okay. Good. Other side. That was good. Yeah, you got a lot of tension. Straighten this one right there. Get that right there. All the way towards the middle. Gotcha. Beautiful. Okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna stand up.
All right.
Put your back right up against that pad right there.
All right.